Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can activate Discovery Plus on your Android TV quickly and effortlessly. Welcome to our channel. If you have an Android TV and are eager to enjoy all the amazing content on Discovery Plus, you're in the right place. Here's a step-by-step guide on activating Discovery Plus on your Android TV device, so you can start streaming your favorite shows and documentaries without hassle. First, make sure your Android TV is connected to the internet. A stable Wi-Fi or wired connection will ensure the app downloads and streams smoothly. Next, navigate to the Google Play Store on your Android TV home screen using your remote. Once in the Play Store, use the search function and type in Discovery Plus. Locate the official Discovery Plus app from the search results and select it. Click on Install to download the app to your device. After installation completes, open the Discovery Plus app from your apps list. On opening, you will be prompted to sign in or activate your device. Select the activation option, which usually displays a unique activation code on your screen. Now, using a smartphone or computer, go to the Discovery Plus activation website. Enter the code exactly as displayed on your TV screen, then sign in with your Discovery Plus account credentials to link your device. Once this is done, your Android TV will refresh, and you should have full access to all the content available on Discovery Plus immediately. If you do not have a Discovery Plus subscription yet, the app will also offer options to start a free trial or purchase a subscription. Remember to explore and customize your preferences within the app to enhance your streaming experience. Activating Discovery Plus on Android TV is that simple and will open a world of entertainment right on your living room screen. Don't forget to update the app regularly to access new features and content enhancements. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Discovery Plus experience on Android TV. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful streaming guides.